Now let's take a look at the Data Insights tool. We start by saying that we want insights within our schema against the business model that we just created and for measure purchases, and press Search. By scanning through the data and running a large number of queries, a number of candidate insights has been produced. After some time, we see a number of bar charts. Each bar chart is for an individual insight. For example, there's one here for the taste of middle-aged females for various genres of movie. Scrolling down, here's one that may be interesting: movie genres consumed in June. Drilling down on this, we see, for the month of June, actual purchases are shown by the blue bars, expected purchases are shown with the green lines. 3 bars have black borders. For these, there were large differences between expected and actual values. This is actually quite interesting, and not necessarily all that obvious. The data suggests that as we move into the summer month, the taste for movies shifts from sci-fi, escapism, to light-hearted comedy and romance. This is actually quite an actionable insight. In planning next year's campaign, we could anticipate this shift in sentiment with the changing seasons. Data Insights is a remarkable tool. Autonomous Database uses its knowledge of the business model to automate the slice and dice process that an analyst usually performs manually. The tool identifies anomalies, deviations from expected values, using machine learning algorithms such as regression slope, and catalogs them for the business user. This is a great feature for new users of Autonomous Database. Imagine creating a new data mart and then getting interesting results right away, autonomously.